class, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some amazing classmates here and we wanted to film a quick little advice video for you guys. We are about to graduate. We have what, 2 weeks left?
Yeah, barely.
2 weeks left until we graduate and take state board in June. So here's our advice to you. I'll kick it off. My advice, even when you first come into school and you're really nervous, you obviously don't know what you're doing, just remember nobody else knows what they're doing either. And I would just volunteer for facials when your teacher asks who's available for a facial. So often it's really quiet in our classroom and people will just kind of want to stay in their comfort zone. But I would say just volunteer to do it. Afterwards, you always feel so much better, and something that I heard before I started school was the attitude you kind of have when you're in the salon is what stays with you in the workforce. So I would really recommend just remembering that and doing as much as you can, because that's kind of what's going to carry with you afterwards. So that's my advice.
Okay, me. Hi, I'm Francine. Yeah, so anyway, it's really awesome. I didn't think I was going to like it as much as I did. So when I first got here, I was kind of like, okay, oh well. But the fact of the matter is that I love it. And whatever you put into it basically is what you're going to get out of it. Seriously, for you, for the client, for everything. I ended up doing a lot of extra education classes, which is not required, but it made me love what I do even more because I can treat clients better and I can explain it and I understand it. So that's my suggestion.
And you have the confidence, you have that much more confidence when you're in the spot.
It does help, yeah.
We've taken a lot of those classes together. So it's been really fun to kind of share that passion and meet people that have that common interest. So that's awesome too. You get great friends out of it.
Yeah.
Yes. My name is Monica, and when I first started this program, I knew very well that I wanted to go into this industry. I first got my bachelor's in Santa Cruz. I got my biology degree, so I'm pretty familiar with the science aspect of it. I agree with Francine about taking extra classes. The one that we went to is called Concepts Institute. It's pretty local here in Daly City. The instructor, her name is Michelle, how do you pronounce her? Phelan. She's amazing. She has a lot of background, especially with Tedesco, consulting with nurses and doctors, and it just really helps you feel really inspired about going into the industry. I myself want to go into the medical industry and work along with physicians and dermatologists potentially, and I'm thinking to myself, once I have that experience, I would want to go on with my own practice.
I mean, I get to open mine in July, and I wasn't even sure I was going to like this.
Okay.
Anyway.
And on that note, I just want to say, surround yourself with people these who are so positive, people that you look up to in the salon, hang out with them and kind of see what you can learn from them. Maybe there's somebody you can take to a class with you, and it's just a really good influence, rather than you can get tired really easy in the program. It's a kind of a long haul, so just surround yourself with good people who can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah, because you have good time management too, especially if you're working during the day and coming here by night. Just depending when the course is available, it varies. So just depending.
I love these two, whatever happens.
I'm just thinking of every possible situation.
Yes, always. Don't forget to take care of yourself, and even though here we're...
Pack good snacks.
Yeah, pack good snacks. Be careful with the vending machines.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, so true.
Yeah.
Is that it? Okay.
I think so.
Tell me about your dreams, tell me everything. Don't nobody care about your heart.